So and Gracie Adventures.
Alright, another chemistry experiment. You guys ready? What we got here? You gonna set this up? Alright.
We don't know.
It's coming along. What you got there, Gracie? Well, almost done with setting it up. Alright, girls wanted to do the glow-in-the-dark slime. It says we need a large lid and a glow-in-the-dark slime powder, spatula, chemistry station. It says 75 ml. Where's 75 ml? Okay, very good. What's your slime powder? Glow-in-the-dark slime.
Oh, this is the glow-in-the-dark slime powder.
It says glow-in-the-dark? Yep, glow-in-the-dark. Alright, so you got that, you got that. You gonna go get some water? Alright, so we got 75 ml. Let's pour it in there. Okay, good. The next instruction here is, I think you gotta cut open your glow-in-the-dark stuff. Pour all the powder slowly in the tube. Use a spatula to mix the powder. Close the test tube, shake it 30 seconds. Let it sit. Let it sit, shaking the tube every few minutes until they solidify. Then here we go. We're gonna pour it in. Yeah, mix it up a little bit. All right, now you gotta put the cap on. It says put the cap on and then shake it. Let Gracie shake it a little bit. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then it takes about 15 to 20 minutes, so we gotta shake it every couple minutes. While we're waiting, they're gonna do a little experiment. Okay, push it back in. Whoa, look at the pressure. Yeah.
You hold it, Daddy.
Hold on. You see the pressure when you pull? It sucks the water. And then when you push, the water comes back. Whoa. Ooh.
And then get the water from there. And then get it and put it back in there. Okay. Suck the water from there. Now put it back in here. Like that.
Come on, man.
That'll hold it.
Here, shake it.
Gracie, how about you hold it and I'll shake it? Yeah. You hold this? So I have to suck it. Go to the other side. Go to the other side. No, I have to get water from there. Down.
Yeah, go lower, Gracie. It exploded. Alright, it's about 15-20 minutes. Let me see it. Turn it upside down, see if it's gooey. Oh, it's gooey. It's not gooey.
It's open.
Don't open it yet. We're gonna go test it.
No, we're testing here.
Alright, we're in the middle of a closet. Let's give this a try. Hold up. Let's see if it actually. Whoa! Hold it still, please. It does blow.
So and Gracie Adventures.